Today I'm going to open 3 Happy Meals. So first I'm going to open this. This is Agnes Rockin' Unicorn. So let's open up. Here's Agnes with her unicorn. So I'm just going to see right here what Agnes do. I think you're gonna how to take this. Oh, here and look at Agnes. He's moving, and when you move this little circle, Agnes moves. Okay, so let's open this next minion. This is a little minion. Open it. Okay, so this is the crab bite minion. So open it up. Here's this little minion. Her hat actually moves. I think we're gonna take this minion and I'm just gonna first attach her little hat here. And you're going to press this little button on her backpack and back. And it pops. That looks like popping popcorn. Let's try it again. Okay, this is so cool. This minion is cool. Look at the little crab on her hand. This little minion. He's just out with a tropical wear. Okay, so let's open up this next minion. Let's open it up. Okay, this means look at this right here. And it looks shaped like a minion. Okay, what is dust? Okay, okay, when you press this button, this minion will come out. Look at that. It's so cool. And it even moves this. Okay, try this one. Hey, this little minion. Look at that. Okay, this minion is driving on with super cool little bike or something. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Hope you subscribe, comment, and like. Bye guys.